Hi everyone, we will prepare weekend special healthy and tasty chaat, Dahi Bhalla or Dahi Vada. Take 1 cup of urad dal, soak 4 to 5 hours. Before soaking, wash it 2 to 3 times. Then soak well. Then transfer to mixie jar. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Don't add more water. Then grind fine paste. If water is not enough, add again 2 tablespoons water. Then grind again until soft dough. See this much of soft. We should grind it. Then transfer to a bowl. Urad dal is very healthy comparing to non-veg. Add required salt. Then beat well 8 to 10 minutes. It will turn to puffy batter. It will increase the batter beating by dough. And keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Then take 1 inch of ginger, grate it nicely. Then 1 spicy chilli, take and cut or grate the chilli. It is very spicy, that's why I am adding only one green chilli. If you have more spiciness, you can add one more chilli. And add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Then mix well. Again beat it 2 to 3 minutes. Then take a small pot and put it in water. It will float. That's why it is beating well. And take hot water, lukewarm water only. Keep aside. Then heat the oil on medium flame and put by one dahi bhalla or dahi vada. Fry until reddish color. See how much round shape it will come. If the batter is very loose, it will not come round shape. Then directly put it in hot water. Then again put the second batch of dahi bhalla. And first batch, crush the water. Then take into plate. Do not show the strength on bhalla and add next batch of bhalla to the water. Then arrange the 5 to 6 bhalla or vada and put on sweet curd, then green chilli, green chutney, then put sweet chutney, few pomegranate seeds, and chaat masala, sprinkle it 1 or 2 pinches, then red chili powder, 1 pinch, then sprinkle bhoondi, and a little bit few green coriander, and serve it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Now tasting time. It's very tasty and healthy. Please try and give a comment.